Hi Tally Hoes, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, hi, my name is tallysharp and it would mean the absolute world to me if you could hit that subscribe button and become part of my Tally-O community. I actually said that so fast I was losing my breath. On my channel most of the time I do plus size fashion, but so many of you guys recently saw my IGTV and you wanted a little hair tutorial of like a 90s ponytail. So that is what I'm gonna do for you today. It's like my first hair tutorial, so definitely thumbs up this video if you want some more. Always comment your suggestions down below and I'll try and do them for you. And my hair's curly, so a little bit annoying because we're gonna straighten it. But I actually just washed it yesterday and put it in a plait, which is how I got this. So before we start, as usual, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go. So to start with, I use this brush. I know that Primark do a dupe for this brush for like £2. Not that I don't think it's open because we're currently in lockdown. If you can hear roadworks as well, by the way, sorry. Don't know what's going on along here, but they're making a lot of noise. So I'll leave everything that I use, by the way, linked down below. Okay, so first of all, you want like an off center parting. My mirror is so far away and I'm trying to do this. Okay, and then you like section off. You want maybe like this much, like not too much. Depends how much hair you want to swish over. So you just want to divide the hair like so. And then you have this. I'm just gonna brush through that a second. And then I'm just gonna take like a little hairband and secure this hair. You don't want this to be like too thick because it might get hard to secure later on. So once that is like that, you basically just wanna put your hair in a ponytail. And what I do is I pop my hand at the back. Oh, I need to put you further up, don't I? Okay, is that better? That's probably better. So you want it to be fairly high, and then you just grab your hand at the back like that. Grab this brush, and then you start swooping that into the pony. I might leave my ponytail curly. We'll see. A trick to actually get your hair not bumpy is putting your head forward like this, swooping this all forward. And I actually like to keep my head forward when I tie my hair back because I just feel like it all falls down and it kind of helps you. And also, as you can see, I've got a lot of hair and it's very thick. So to control it all is quite hard. So I feel like leaning forward actually really helps. So before I do that, I've got two quite thick hair bands that I'm gonna use to secure it. The reason I use two is because then it's a little bit more secure. And also it kind of helps to give a little bit of volume to the wraparound, which we're gonna do later on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that. Okay, so now we're looking a little bit like this, and what I like to then do is take some gel. This is the Vo5 Mega Hold Gel, and it's the natural shine, because I don't want it to look like greasy, you know, I just want it to look shiny and healthy. So I'll take like a pea-size amount. I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves right here because I don't want no gel in my sleeves. And then I just rub it between my hands and I'll start pushing upwards. And I work on it section by section just because my hair is so there, if that makes sense, that all the gel and my fingers will just get caught in the pony. Okay, so once that side's done, I'll swish that hair over and I'll start putting gel in this side. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit more. It kind of depends on how much hold you want. And I'll just use that. And also don't forget the back as well. I don't like little flyaways at the back. Honestly, this is the easiest hairstyle and it is not time consuming once you get the hang of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just going to go over my hair again. Also, at that stage, it kind of makes the hair sort of all blend together and you don't look like bald. Like sometimes it looks a bit patchy, but using this, it kind of just merges it all together. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this out and I'm actually gonna spray my hair with a shine spray. This isn't actually a shine spray. Why is it so like empty? This is a 10-in-1 spray, but a shine spray is basically what I want in this. So I'm just gonna spray 2 sprays and I'm gonna run that through this fringe part. I think actually this is thicker than the one I did before, but it's okay. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that behind the ear and then we're gonna sort of flatten it out a little bit and grab this brush again. I probably wouldn't survive without this brush. I use it for everything. So once you're happy with how that looks by combing it through, we're gonna get little clips. What are these called again? Forgotten. And then we're just gonna start securing that. So what I like to do is I like to do it straight down, and then actually, because my hair's so long, I then take this bit and sort of put it upwards and start pinning it upwards so that it kind of blends in to the pony, if that makes sense. So I just move the pony out of the way. Okay, so that piece of hair is now complete. So now what you want to do, I always think that this is a beautiful touch to any ponytail or any half up, half down look, is take a bit of hair from the back of your pony. I'm gonna use a spray again to make it all glossy and shiny. And I'm just gonna brush that through and I'm gonna start wrapping that round. Basically, you just want to cover your hairband. And then when it's nearly done, and you've only got like a little bit of hair left, you get more bobby pins, I remember the name now, and you secure that. I like to try and do like a crisscross effect at the back, so that I know it won't come out. So we're nearly done, but for me it still looks like a little bit frizzy, especially here. Like I want it to be sleek. So I'm just gonna put some more gel and I'm gonna flatten that down. Like that. Oh my God, my straightener's actually reached this point of my room. That's amazing. Okay, so now I've just popped on my GHDs and I'm gonna straighten the ponytail. As usual, gonna put spray in my hair. I mean, I could have kept it curly, but I'm trying to be dedicated to this this tutorial. So at this stage, if you have shorter hair, because I've got such long hair, I don't bother. At the bottom, let's try it, let's give it a go. But you like sort of curl it round. No. Oh, kind of work that way. Oh, you can't see the bottom of it. Maybe I need to put you back downwards. So it's kind of like this curl. You still can't even see because my hair's so long. And it's not actually going to work, but all you would do is hold it down and then at the end you would flick it forward and then place it sort of like that. I can't even show you. Also, what you can do at this stage is sort of use, where's my brush gone? I've actually lost it. Use the brush to back comb this part of the pony to make it look fuller, but I personally don't do that. Well, tally hoes, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Would you wear it? Would you not? I really hope that this was informative for you guys and you learned a little something. If you do recreate it, tag me on the gram. Let me see. This video's shout out is to Kirsty. Thank you so much for commenting on my last video. If you want to be shouted out in my next video, then all you have to do is comment down below and you may be picked. I'll see you very soon for my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.